Pronouns are people, places, animals, or things, like sister, home, cat, ice cream, snow hat. Proper nouns are more specific, people and places, like Nick, Kate, and Mark, Gauteng, South Africa. Pronouns refers to something, pronouns refers to someone. It, I, he, she, us, them, they, we. Talk about he, she, all of us, they, we. Toys are us, me, I, a stinky fly, John, Pip, a bowl of fries. Bring home, Kempton Park, Gauteng, Kate and Mark. Cats in South Africa, but not in Antarctica. Common nouns are, proper nouns are, pronouns are. Can you see the difference? Common nouns are, proper nouns are, pronouns are. Can you see the difference?